reading in the news there yesterday that they're putting speed cameras, automated speed cameras, all over the city.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Especially out in Garson, that whole stretch. You know, Garson is horrible. And oh man, it's going to be like a $55 fine if you get caught. There's going to be a lot of unhappy Garsonians. Let me just pull it over to the side here. Right on, man. So that was good. If it was back in the old days, you'd be ready to get your like full G right away.
Really?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.